Hey guys, Sarah at Caddy Garage. So as promised, here's the surprise. I bought a 1948 Cadillac Sedanette, otherwise called a fastback or a club coupe. Now here's the real kicker. This car has been in the same family since purchased new in 1948. I am buying it from the original owner's grandson, and so it comes with a lot of original paperwork and history to the car. The paint is original, the interior is original, so I can't wait to get a lot of videos of detailing this car up and bringing its original patina back. I am just so excited. I have a personal friend of mine going to get the car in about a week. He promised me that he would take lots of photos and videos all across the country so I can post them and make you guys feel like you're a part of it. But as always, guys, thank you for watching my videos, and I can't wait to keep you updated on this car. Have a very blessed day, everybody. Take care.